Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to answer one of the Selenium interview questions. That is, write Selenium automation code for producing no such window exception. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. So this exception will occur in Selenium when we try to switch to a window which doesn't exist on the web page. Okay. So let me practically demonstrate so that it will be more clear for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE where we have some sample Selenium automation code which is already written for opening the Chrome browser, then maximizing the browser. Here we need to open the application URL. Let's say I'll take you to this sample application URL, that is omai.blogspot.com. After going to this application URL, after going here, to this application URL, I would like to switch to a window which doesn't exist. Okay, this is the original window, but I would like to switch to another window which doesn't exist. So what is the command for switching to the window in Selenium? Driver.switch to dot window command. Okay, so here inside this window, I need to either provide the ID or name of the window or web element of the window or index of the window, etc., etc. So here I'm just simply giving some random ABCD, which doesn't exist. Okay, there is no window with this ID or name or web element, etc., etc. So what happens in this case? In this case, you are trying to switch to a window using Selenium, which doesn't exist. So if I run the script, okay, so intentionally I'll put a print statement here, system.out.println. So that after the exception occurs here, this line will give you a runtime error or exception. That is no such window. Okay, no such window exception. After this exception occurs, the program will stop here and the remaining code will not run. So here simply say end of the program, end of this program, and run the code. And the exception will come in the previous statement, 14th line, and because of which the program will stop here with by giving you some exception. That is runtime error in the output, and end of the program will not be printed in the output. So it will open the browser, maximize the browser, take you to the application URL. Now it will try to switch to the window which doesn't exist. Okay. And because of which we'll get an exception known as which exception? No such window exception. As there is no such window with the given details. Try to switch to the window, but that window doesn't exist. Hence, we got this exception known as a runtime error known as no such window exception at the line what? 14th line. And because of which the next line didn't get executed. You see nowhere end of this program got printed. So hope guys you got an idea like how to write a Selenium automation code for producing or generating this no such window exception during automation. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.